ready to ditch the paper chase and get your documents signed in minutes. This is your ultimate guide to sending documents for signature using Pandadoc. First things first, let's get your document into Pandadoc. You can either upload an existing file from your computer or create a new document directly within Pandadoc for this tutorial. We'll assume you've already uploaded or created your document. Once your document is ready, look for the Send or Send for Signature button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that to begin the sending process. Now, it's time to add your signers in the designated field. Enter the email address of the person you need to sign. You can add multiple recipients. If your document requires more than one signature, you can also assign roles if needed, like signer or approver. This is where the magic happens. Pandadoc makes it incredibly easy to place the necessary fields for your recipient. Simply drag and drop fields like signature, date, text, or checkbox directly onto the relevant areas of your document. Ensure every required field is placed where it needs to be. Before you send, take a quick moment to review everything. You can preview the document as your recipient will see it once you're confident everything is in place. Click the Final Send button. And you're done. Your document is now with your recipient, waiting for their electronic signature. Pandadoc will notify you when the document has been viewed and when it's fully signed, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Streamline your agreements and contracts today with Pandadoc's simple and secure signature collection process. Thanks for watching and happy signing.